Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create photo booth strips in Photoshop. Let's start it. Go to File option and create a new page. Width is 2 and height is 6 and then create. Go to View option and click New Guide Layout. Rows 5, margin 20 each. Press Ctrl M, draw a one rectangle and create new layer and fill any color. And same apply all layers. And then drag and drop a photo. Double click. Right click on a layer and click create clicking mask. And same apply all layers. एंड आप इसे क्रिएटिव बनाने के लिए आप इसमें ऐड कर सकते हो लाइक इमोजीज, स्पॉटिफाई QR कोड. Go to View option and click Clear Guide Layout. And finally photo booth strip is ready. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.